Whenever you are for day one of Black Stars training camp, Asante man table abaso. Now, as usual and as expected, you know, be ahead and him, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Richmond Lamptey, and he featured so nicely, as you saw on the screen. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Richmond Lamptey training with the Black Stars of Ghana ahead of AFCON 2023-24 Ekoso. La Côte d'Ivoire in about less than 2 weeks time and South tournament no chance Ghana ni Cape Ghana ni Mozambique Ghana ni Egypt. It is expected say Richmond Lamptey ebe feature games here ebe koso Kumasi Asante Kotoko Richmond Lamptey ono na sese ne nam ehua paso ene mese training center ho jai training center ho no anya baba yara ba bi ye no medidin no ebe bro sisi but me say aha a super 24 TV wadaroma unsubscribe ya no wa hit the real subscribe button no about doma no so no wa hit na ya build it together follow your social media handle no so a super 24 TV Instagram a Kumasi blogman na yendika subum no yes the goalkeeper no yes ati and Daniel Amate the senior one Daniel Amate semenyo and oni coach no ejina ho edi in Kutahono. Yes, now on to the man expected. Yes, Richie or Shani host near the identity say, "Are you ready for business?" Yes, a man for Eddie Omanua Tumupa and Ziwanya Quinano, and we hope say undisappointed. Yes, Juku and so and walk in your shorts no. Now before I proceed no, hey senior man Sally Sunsu Chialayo Master Black Stars team no, I know a ding. Before I proceed, the information kakra was a training on a course so Dr. Kwame training complex and as Dr. Kwame sports complex and a training course so and koso babayara place no elojo Lancaster Hotel. In the days ahead no they will be training at Babayara Sports Stadium and only the idea that hey senior man Kotoko target Jonathan Sower of Media ma ono so PMO yes Jojo wala kotubujina itwi lie na say enye better kra training no and the first day no the pa yes the information kakra ho and Kumasi Asante Kotoko friendly game with the Black Stars no so likely say baso dates ne nyambe todwa Ghana ne Namibia no kra wan information e ba say and also betima bo agu na Kotoko a friendly correct one wo Kumasi ya na omone Kotoko aba na say Black Stars a correct friendly ewa ha na omone ma ono omabo information will be as to why the bebro fi ampacho ye frame the blogman mewie madwuma me do sia echia wo bebre me ko